music. Massive blank cleaner there, ready for that new coaster. You see here how we took out quite a few trees down close to the river here as well.
Look how close it gets to the water.
Look at them rocks there as well.
Yeah. I wonder what are these pipes for?
So that's probably where the drop is going to be. This right here is where that Outer Bank turn will be. Yeah, it doesn't quite come down over the water, but very close. So over here on the far side of the teacups, we have the train station, and then right over here is where the construction site is, and there will be a bridge right about here that takes you over to that side where there'll be a little plaza. So you'll pass over the train tracks just right here. So should be pretty cool. Looks like they have put up some barriers since the construction started. Also, they moved the horses, so now they're over here.
This structure is one of the two low-span trestles found along the Busch Gardens railway system.
Here and look towards the
The trestle, please keep your hands on.
we go over that bridge now, over the water.